morning students. Food components chapter lo మనం before class discuss about the three questions. Fourth question, how water is useful to us. Okay, how water is how is water useful to how is water useful to our body, okay, how is water useful to our body, మన బాడీకి వాటర్ అనేది ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, హౌ ఈజ్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ యూజ్ఫుల్ టు అవర్ బాడీ. ఇన్ బాడీ యూజ్ఫుల్ ఇన్ ఏ different types of the activities and different types of the body organs functioning. These are all depending on the water. Okay, 70% of our body filled with a water. Okay, 70% of our body filled with a 70% of our body filled with a water. 70% of our body filled with a water. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. Nutrients for food. Water removes the dangerous toxins. Water removes the dangerous toxins. Water removes the dangerous toxins that are added into our body. That are added into our body. Okay, water, it also helps through some waste. It also helps to some waste like urine and sweat. Okay ma. Water softens our body joints. Water softness our body joints. Okay, softness our body joints. Water transported oxygen nutrients to the cell of the body. Okay, how is water useful to our body? 70% of our body filled with the water. In our body have a different types of the organs are present. Every organ must and should proper working. Is must and should water is sufficient water is present all the time only. The different organs in our body that is working properly. Okay, that's why the 70% of water filled with our body. Okay ma. Next, water helps our body to absorb the nutrients like food. ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటే మన బాడీలో ఉన్నటువంటి వాటర్ హెల్ప్ ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది మన బాడీకి డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ద న్యూట్రియంట్స్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడంలో, ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడంలో మనకు వాటర్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. వాటర్ రిమూవ్ ద డేంజరస్ టాక్సిక్ యాడెడ్ ఇంటూ అవర్ బాడీ. మన బాడీలో ఉన్నటువంటి డేంజరస్ టాక్సిన్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా బయటకి రిమూవ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుందంట. ఇట్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్స్ టు సమ్ వేస్ట్ లైక్ urine and sweat are water softness, sweating. It also helps to the softness. Some waste products of the dangerous to waste produced remove for the urine and sweat are remove for the our body. Water softness our body joints. Water అనేది సఫిషియెంట్గా ఉండడం వల్ల మన బాడీలో ఉన్నటువంటి జాయింట్స్ అన్ని కూడా ప్రాపర్గా వర్క్ చేయడానికి సాఫ్ట్నెస్గా ఉండడానికి మనకి యూజ్ అవ్వడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఏ కిచిడి. ప్రిపేర్ కిచిడి. Preparing a khichdi ma with your mother helps to using a available vegetables. Okay, preparing khichdi. Preparing khichdi. Preparing khichdi. Okay, preparing khichdi. Which ingredients are must and should wanted? Okay, different types of the ingredients are in it. Use of them. What is that? Ingredients: 1 cup of white basmati rice, 1 cup of white basmati rice, white basmati rice, 1 cup of white basmati rice, and 1 cup of dal nuts washed and soaked, 1 cup of nuts, 1 cup of nuts, dal and nuts, nuts and dal, and 1 cup of chopped vegetables, half cup of chopped vegetables, half cup of chopped vegetables, about 4 cups of water, about 4 cups of water, about 4 cups of water, and half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, okay, half teaspoon cumin seeds, countable number of cloves and ilachi, bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee, 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee. Okay, salt to taste. Salt to taste. Okay, preparing khichdi lo, these are the ingredients of the preparing khichdi. Okay, first you take the pan and put into the 1 or 2 spoons of the oil or ghee are added, and cloves and the ilachi are added. After, and ginger and garlic paste are added. After the heated 2 or 3 minutes are heated. After pour the chopped vegetables and nuts are added for that one. And after sometimes 5 to lid are added and 5 to 10 minutes are cooking. After pour the 4 cups of the water are added. Okay, the water is boiled. After some salt are added. After the completed for the white basmati rice, cup of the basmati rice are added. The after sometimes 5 to 10 minutes are cooking that one. Stirred and water is salt, bring to boil, lower the heat, partially cover the pot or cook until the rice is cooked. Khichdi is completely 1 pot meal. The rice provides the carbohydrates, dal have a proteins, and vegetables have a vitamins and nutrients are present. That's why the tasty khichdi are prepared. Okay, present. Okay, the India there are many recipes of khichdi. It can spicy and plain made with a combination of lentils also. Okay, heat a oil and heavy bottomed pan flask or a pot, preferably one with a cover. When oil or ghee added in cumin seeds and other spices, and poured in a rice and vegetables, dals and nuts. In vegetables have a vitamins and nutrients are present, and rice have a carbohydrates are present, and ghee have a fats are present, and next nuts have a proteins are present. That's why the preparing is khichdi is a very tasty. That's why the all nutrients are present. That's why preparing for the in our daily meals or a weekly one, the khichdi is preparing for the daily meals. Okay. Next one. Sixth question. Fill in the blanks icharu. Okay. Write down that one. Fill in the blanks. First one. If our food is not balanced, if our food is not balanced, our food is not balanced, if our food is not balanced with a proper nutrients, if our food is not a balanced with a proper nutrients, we may dash into. Okay, write down the get deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases. Okay, second one. Fibers in our diet prevents the fibers in our diet prevents the constipation. Okay. Next, third one. Our daily diet should include plenty of. Our daily diet should include plenty of. Our daily diet should include a plenty of leafy vegetables, fruits and leafy vegetables. Okay, fruits and leafy vegetables. Fourth one. Oils and fats use the energy. Okay, these 4 questions, 4 bits in a fill in the blanks in the 7th question. Okay, write down this one. Important. In 3 questions prepare well. In the next class we will discuss remaining questions. Okay, thank you.